In this question, it is given that let m1 and m2 be the slopes of two adjacent sides of a square of side length a such that a square plus 11a plus 3 into m1 square plus m2 square is equal to 220. If one of the vertex of a square is having x coordinate this, y coordinate this, where alpha belongs to 0 to power 2, and the equation of one of the diagonal is this, then 72 sine to power 4 alpha plus cos to power 4 alpha plus a square minus 3a plus 13 is equal to, you have to find the correct choice. First of all, let me tell you the meaning of question. It says that there is a square whose sides are of length a, and one of the diagonal of the square is having equation this cos alpha minus sin alpha into x. Say this is the diagonal whose equation is x into cos alpha minus sin alpha plus y into sin alpha plus cos alpha equal to 10. Using all the informations, you have to find the value of this. It is clear that because alpha and a are here, to find the value of this, we require the value of alpha and a. Note that a was the length of side given to you. First, I will find the value of a. It is clear that one of the vertex has x coordinate this and y coordinate this. First, we will check that that vertex lies on the diagonal or it lies here or here. If that vertex satisfies this equation, it means that vertex is either this or this. Let us check. This is the x coordinate, this is the y coordinate. We will be putting the value of x and y here. Note that it is not difficult as it seems to be. If you put x equal to 10 into cos alpha minus sin alpha and y equal to 10 into sin alpha plus cos alpha, what will be the left hand side? Will be 10 into cos alpha minus sin alpha whole square plus 10 into sin alpha plus cos alpha whole square. And it is clear that 10 into, you can do it very easily in mind only. It will be giving you cos square alpha plus sin square alpha minus 2 sin alpha cos alpha. It will be giving you sin square alpha plus cos square alpha plus 2 sin alpha cos alpha. It is obvious that you will be getting 1 plus 1, that is 20. But right hand side was 10. It means this vertex is either this or this. Say here 10 into 10 into say this point is A, B, C, D, and I am doing perpendicular. Say this point is E. Clearly this angle will be 45 degrees. To find the value of A, it is clear that A equal to DE cosecant 45 degree. Now keeping this thing in mind that this is equal to 20, if I try to find the distance of this point from this line, I will be writing 10 into Just now we calculated that the value of this is 20. Otherwise it is not difficult to see also. 20 minus 10 is 10 upon under root. It is 1 plus 1. Your mind should work so fast that this is equal to 2 must immediately come in mind, because it is cos square alpha plus sin square alpha minus 2 sin alpha cos alpha. It is sin square alpha plus cos square alpha plus 2 sin alpha cos alpha. Hence this is the value of DE. And because A is equal to DE, cosecant 45 degree 10 by root 2 into root 2, that is 10. This is the length of side. This value of you can put here. To find the value of this, now we require the value of alpha. It is given that M1 and M2, which are slopes of these two lines, satisfy this equation, and the other information that the equation of diagonal is this. Using this information you will find the value of alpha, and once alpha is found, putting the value of A and alpha, you will be getting the answer. First let us put A equal to 10 in this, and I will be getting a equation in M1. Note that M2 is minus 1 by M1 because these are slopes of two sides. Therefore, if slope of one is M1, the slope of other will become minus 1 by M1. That is, M2 will become minus 1 by M1. And putting the value of A equal to 10 and M2 as minus 1 by M1, I get the conclusion that 10 square plus 11 into 10 plus 3 into M1 square plus 1 by M1 square equal to 220. That is, I get minus 10 by 3 equal to 0. From here you can make a quadratic equation in M square and get the value of M square. You will find that M1 square will be 3 or 1 by 3. That is, M1 equal to plus minus root 3 or plus minus 1 by root 3. That is the value of M1 can be root 3 or minus root 3 or 1 by root 3 or minus 1 by root 3. To proceed further, I take any value of M1, say root 3. Actually, I can proceed with any other also. I'll get the same answer. Why, that I will explain in the end. First, let me proceed further. Let us take the value of M1 as root 3. Hence, if this line is having slope M1, then the value of tan theta will be root 3, where theta is the angle made by this line with x-axis. This implies that theta is equal to 60 degree. Note that when tan theta is denoting the slope, in that case theta always belongs to the interval 0 to pi. And next point to be noted is, you must be knowing that if a line is making an angle theta with positive direction of x-axis, and we draw a line at an angle alpha with the given line, then the line may be on this side also, the line may be on this side also. This is also angle alpha. Both are inclined at an angle of alpha with the line. obviously slope of this line will become tan theta minus alpha, slope of this line will become tan theta plus alpha. And because diagonal is making an angle of 45 degree with this side, therefore the slope of this diagonal will be tan 60 plus 45 or tan 60 minus 45. Which one is to be taken? I will tell you afterwards. But slope of diagonal AC can be found from the equation of the diagonal AC, and from here I conclude that slope is minus this is the slope of AC, which can be written as tan alpha minus 1 upon tan alpha plus 1, that is tan alpha minus 45 degree. Obviously, if I take the slope of AC as this, then only the value of alpha will be lying in the interval 0 to pi by 2. Hence, rejecting this case, I get alpha minus 45 is equal to 60 degree minus 45, that is alpha is equal to 60 degree. And in this expression, putting alpha equal to 60 and A equal to 10, I will get the answer. See, 72 into root 3 by 2 whole to the power 4 plus 1 by 2 whole to the power 4 plus 10 square minus 3 into 10 plus 13. This is equal to 72 into 9 by 16 plus 1 by 16 plus 100 minus 30 plus 13. This is equal to 45 plus 100 minus 30 plus 13 is equal to 128. Hence I can say B is the correct choice. Agreed, the solution is over, but as I told you in the middle of the solution that whichever value of M1 you take, you are going to get the same answer, because it is a single answer question, because it is a question of JEE main. It is a single answer question. It surely means that by changing the value of M1, the answer is not going to change.